Hi, I'm Sean Nelson with 168 Manufacturing. This short 1 to 2 minute video is intended just to give a high level introduction to our Coolant Health app. We're starting from a premise that industry needs a better tool for tracking key parameters of the coolant in machine tool sumps. We believe that the industry as a whole does just a poor job of this record keeping activity and building the trend lines that people can act upon. And digging into it, we've really found that there's meaningful financial upside to doing this better in your shop. So we know that stable sump concentrations have a direct impact on the financial performance of a business. Take a few minutes to Google it, and you're going to find hundreds of white papers on why that is. So our position is that current methods simply work poorly, and there's plenty of proof for that. So what our app ultimately does is replace these outdated methods with a simple to use tool so that stakeholders are always informed in real time and they're accountable to do something about the sump health. So our app ultimately creates shop-wide trend lines, easy to act on notifications, accountability with less management, collaboration amongst the partners, meaning the metalworking companies, the end users, and the distributors involved. And all this leads to better sump health for better shop performance. So take a look at some of our other short videos on app functionality to learn more, or let us put you in contact with one of our local partners to get a full demo. Thank you.